What's up, y'all? It's your girl KDiani here, back with another video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so that you never miss a beat when your girl uploads a new video. So we're gonna hop straight into it. So just as titled, today I'm gonna be teaching you guys or giving you guys some habits that you guys can use in your everyday life or apply it to your fitness journey that can help you lose fat and keep it off. A lot of women, what is their main goal? They want to remove body fat off their body. A lot of people be like, oh, I want to lose weight. So before we even get into it, there's a difference between weight loss and fat loss. Weight loss is your whole body in total: water, muscle mass, and body fat. Fat loss is strictly just fat loss. So you're gonna be able to keep your muscle on your body, and that's what's gonna help you keep your curves, okay? Help you keep your curves and build your curves is the muscles. But weight loss is just removing that water weight, removing that muscle mass, and removing that body fat. It's overall, okay? Now that that's out the way, let's get to the first habit. All right, so the first habit that can help you lose fat and keep it off is to exercise. A lot of people like to overcomplicate it when they hear the word exercise. Like, oh my gosh, I gotta work out, I gotta exercise in order to get this fat off my body. If you're just starting out your fitness journey, the key is to keep it simple. Start off slow. A lot of times, you know, especially like with social media, everyone wants to jump into the gym, jump into lifting weights. And ultimately, you don't necessarily need the gym to lose weight. Like, this is why it's called a journey. Like, you go at your own pace. So if you're just starting out, you can start off with simple movement. Meaning going for a walk, whether it's around your block or going to a park to go for a walk or going for a bike ride or jump roping or doing some jumping jacks. You don't even have to do 30 minutes. If you just have time to get in at least 10 minutes of movement a day, that's great. Eventually, you'll start to feel the benefits of actually moving your body, and you'll start working out even longer. You may even want to take it up a notch and go ahead and get the gym membership. That is the key first habit, is just to move. Eventually, once you take it up a notch and you're ready to go to the gym, then you can start incorporating weights gradually. That's when your body is going to start shaping up into that shape. When you go to the gym, I know you see a lot of people, including myself. I am one of those people. I'm in the gym for like 2-3 hours. I enjoy the gym. The gym is my happy place. I spend all that time there. You do not have to spend 2 to 3 hours in the gym to get a good workout or to build your dream physique. You do not have to do that. 45 minutes is enough. Full body hit where you're incorporating some weight is good enough. Going to the gym 3 times a week is good enough. One key tip though, once you start going to the gym, make sure you do your research. Look into actually how to perform the exercises correctly so that you can practice and get it nailed down. Habit number 2 is to stop cutting out foods you enjoy. I know a lot of people are like, oh my God, don't eat carbs, or stop eating that bad food you be eating. Y'all know what type of bad foods I'm talking about. Chips, cake. We all fall victim to that stuff. That's what makes life enjoyable. Well, to me, because I'm a food person. I love food. And I'm not gonna completely cut that out of my lifestyle, and I'm gonna tell you why. When you stop eliminating cold turkey, the foods that you enjoy, that's when your fat loss journey does not become sustainable. Because once you hit that point in your journey where you're like, oh my God, F this, I don't want to do this anymore, you're gonna go back to eating and eating and eating and eating, and you're gonna gain all that weight back. You know why? Because you was eating stuff you wasn't enjoying. Instead of completely cutting out the stuff you enjoy, swap it out. A few examples of that. For me, I love breads. I like tortillas. I am a carb heavy girl. I grew up eating carbs. I love carbs. Carbs are forever going to be in my life, and I will never cut them out. You can find low calorie breads. A few breads that I like is Ezekiel bread. I know the Sara Lee brand, they have low calorie bread. You can also get low calorie tortillas. You think I'm gonna stop eating tacos? No, your girl is still going to eat tacos. You just have to get creative with your meals, switch it up. I know food is expensive nowadays, but you can easily go to like Aldi's, you can go to like Walmart. A pack of tortillas is literally like $3 of the little low calorie ones. You can get you some spinach, you get you a source of protein, ground turkey, salmon. You can get some chicken breast, chop that up, saute it, cook it in a pan with some onions and peppers, like throw some vegetables up in there. And you can still use like your favorite sauces and stuff. Just don't go crazy. You know what they say, like have your stuff in moderation. Literally have your stuff, your favorite foods in moderation. I have a good relationship with food now because I learned that I can still eat the foods I have just by swapping certain things out. Like, you know how now a lot of people don't drink whole milk? Everyone's like drinking cashew milk and almond milk. If you can easily swap out your milk, why can't you find other alternatives for other things? Right? Am I right or am I wrong? If I'm lying, I'm flying. And I ain't flying. And here's another thing I want to touch up on since we're in the topic of food. Cheat days. Don't have cheat days. Have a cheat meal. Because when you have cheat days, I feel like some people use cheat days as a way to overindulge, meaning they eat whatever the fuck they want all day long. And then you know what's going to happen? You're going to look back the next day, you're going to be like, dang, I don't feel too good. I don't like the way I feel. I don't like the way I look. Like, you're going to be beating yourself up about it. So instead, have a cheat meal. Like, if you want to have a cheat meal for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, make sure you're eating your regular meals throughout the day, you know, that you're supposed to eat, that are clean and that keep you full. And then have your cheat meal. And that doesn't mean, oh, I'm gonna have a cheat meal every day. That's not what that means. Have a cheat meal to reward yourself. Make sure you're doing good 4 to 5 or 5 to 6 days out of the week. And then reward yourself with a cheat meal. That's what's gonna make the journey more enjoyable instead of restricting yourself completely. And also, listen to this. Let's say if you're eating damn near perfectly during your day, but during your day you're like, I want a brownie, or I want some chocolate, or I want a bag of hot chips. Get you the little bag of hot chips, have you some hot chips, or get the recommended serving size of the hot chips, or get you a little square of a brownie. Don't get you 2-3 brownies. Okay, get you the serving size of the chocolate. Don't eat the whole damn chocolate bar in one sitting. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. You do not have to restrict yourself, but also have self-control. All right, so another habit that I want you guys to instill in your journey is water. Listen, this is for whoever is watching this. This is for you. Okay, this is for you. You are too damn grown to not like water. Why are you not drinking your water? Make sure you are drinking your water. Your body is mostly composed of water. So make sure you're drinking your water, because your water is what's going to help you flush out all of that stuff out of your body, toxins, everything. Well, you're not drinking enough water. What that does, your body is going to hold on to it. That's what's going to make you look and feel bloated. Why are you not drinking your water? You should at least shoot for a gallon. I'm not saying drink a gallon, but try to shoot for a gallon, okay? Try to get your water in, try to stay hydrated. If you can't get your water all the way in through actually drinking water, eat like fruits or vegetables that are, you know, have water in them. This is another habit. Drop the quick fixes. And I'm gonna say this, all these, I'm not gonna say they're terrible, but all these fasts where you're like, oh my God, I'm not gonna eat no meat for this amount of time. I'm only gonna eat raw vegetables for this amount of time. Yada, yada, yada. I'm gonna cut out carbs. What other thing? Oh, I'm gonna wear a waist trainer every day. And trust me, I've been there, done that. I've been a waist trainer girl. I've been a, I can't eat no carbs girl. Listen, and it made me restart my journey over and over and over and over. You wanna know why? Because it's not sustainable. Don't fall into the trap of doing all of those things and all this stuff you see on social media, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Oh, I did this for 30 days and this done snatched me up. Listen, if your diet is not in line, if your training or your daily movement is not aligned, you're not gonna reach your goal. Everything that you do has to align with your goal. If you eating like shit and you going to the gym and you look in the mirror and you trying to figure out why the fuck you don't look any different, you need to reevaluate everything that you're doing. You know what they say, you can't outwork a bad diet. Trust me, I've been there. Everything I'm telling you is from experience. The last thing is to be consistent. I know it can be hard. If it was easy, everybody would be doing it. Everybody would be doing it. But it's not as easy. It's easier said than done. But it's better to start now than to wait for the next Monday, or wait till the next year, or wait after my birthday, or wait until the beginning of March because then I can get ready for the summertime. No, start today so then you can be whole ready every day. Whole ready just means you look good 24/7, okay? That's all that means. Don't take it out of context. But y'all, be consistent. You gotta be patient. Don't always step on the scale every day. Instead, take pictures, take measurements, feel how your body feel, how the clothes is fitting on you. Like, use those type of wins to see if what you're doing is working or not. Like, the scale isn't everything. Let me tell you what I did last year. Last year, I started December 2021, took my first picture, and every single month to the end of last year, I took a picture of myself just to hold myself accountable. And those results alone helped me continue on with my journey. I was able to lose body fat by eating intuitively. Yeah, your girl did not track all last year, and I'm not tracking this year either. Okay, and I'm still losing body fat. So I did not track. I was able to lose body fat. I was still able to build muscle, get strong. Okay, like, and that is all from me using pictures instead of a number on the scale. Yeah, it's okay to hop on the scale to check in every month or check in every 2 weeks, but don't check in every single day. That's unhealthy. That's when you build a bad relationship. All right, so to break it back down for y'all, make sure you're moving, get some form of movement in, make sure you're not restricting yourself. Don't restrict yourself, have self-control, enjoy the foods that you love by having alternatives. Drink your water. Stop saying you don't like water because you need your water. Avoid quick fixes. And number 5, stay consistent, y'all. Stay consistent. Don't worry about the destination. Enjoy the journey. Look at the scenery. Look at your body change and transform during the whole thing. If you found this helpful, grabbed any sort of knowledge from it, make sure you go ahead and smash that like button, comment down below, make sure you share this video, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so you never miss a beat when your girl posts a new video. And until next time, peace.